Hello and welcome to KoMo Do It Yourself. Today I will show you the fine and coarse adjustment of our hand mill. In today's video we use spelt. The hand mill is already adjusted to coarse and we are ready to start the milling process. Now we have a coarse result, and in the next step we will adjust our hand mill to the fine setting. You can clearly see here that you can not only produce a coarse but also a very fine flour with your hand mill. That's it from today from KoMo Do It Yourself. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at komo.bio. See you next time.